Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be turning this old twist out into a bomb jumbo perm rod set. So I'm going to be using Gemini Naturals Curl Awaken Primer, which is a leave-in conditioner. And then on top of that, I'm adding the Temporary Vegan Color Gel in the color Cobalt. Stay tuned. So I'm not using gloves this time to apply the temporary color gel, but it does wash off very easily. So I'm taking large pieces of hair and I am making sure that it is completely detangled before adding the perm rod. I'm not going all the way up to the top with the perm rod because I'm going for a big bouncy curl look. So I'm just repeating these same steps throughout my entire head. Now that my hair is finished, I'm going to let it dry overnight and then I'll be back for the takedown. So here we are the next day and my curls are ready to be revealed. Yep, I can already tell this is going to be a bomb perm rod set. So I'm definitely feeling this jumbo perm rod look, and I also like the fact that I didn't roll it tight all the way up to the roots because it gave it a different flavor. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. I am definitely loving this look. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Also, check out my description box because I do have a discount code where you can save some coins on your next Gemini Naturals purchase.